Hi everyone, today I'll talk about noble gases. First, what are noble gases? Noble gases are in the group 18 in the periodic table, which contains 7 chemical elements. Uh, they are helium, argon, and neon, and krypton, and xenon, and adenosine, and radon. When the members of the group were discovered and identified, they thought to be extremely rare or chemically inert, so they called inert gases. The second name for them, noble gases or inert gases. In chemistry, the word Nobel has long signified the reluctance of metals such as gold and platinum to undergo chemical reaction. It applies in the same sense to the group of gases covered here. Noble gases has physical and chemical properties. First, chemical properties of noble gases. Noble gases have many and several chemical properties, such as the first one, characteristics of noble gases are odorless, non-flammable, colorless, and monoatomic gas with low chemical reactivity. The second characteristic is that all noble gases conduct electricity and fluorescence, which can be needed in many conditions to maintain a constant and safe environment. As they have a complete octet which makes them highly stable, so they hardly react with other elements to form chemical bonds because of their less tendency to either gain or lose electrons, but as exceptions are everywhere, oxygen is the exception in this case. Oxygen is the noble gases that may form compounds either with fluoride or oxide. For example, oxygen oxide, oxygen tetroxide, XeO4, is a yellow crystalline solid which is reactively stable. Oxygen can bring up to the high oxidation state of +8 only by the one element that is known as oxygen. Second example is oxygen fluoride, oxygen difluoride. Oxygen F2 is a dense white crystalline solid having a linear geometry. It has considered as powerful fluorating agent. It has low vapor pressure and is sensitive to isotope. Now the physical properties of noble gases. Noble gases have several physical properties. Is boiling and melting points. At room temperature and pressure, all the elements of group 18 exist in a gaseous state. The melting and boiling point of all the noble gases is very low due to the following reasons. The first reason is all consist of monoatomic molecules that are held together by weak van der Waals forces of attraction. The second reason is during melting and boiling of overall noble gases, and only a slight amount of heat is required to resist weaker inner atomic force. But as we move down the group, the boiling and melting point of the noble gases increases due to the following reason. When moving down into the group, the atomic radii increase, which results in the formation of strong van der Waals force of attraction between atoms. As to overcome the interatomic force of attraction, which becomes stronger, it also requires more energy during the melting and boiling point. Third example is density. All elements of group 18 have low densities. When going down, the group density increases as the atomic mass keeps on increasing. The ionization energy in the periodic table as we move down the group, the first ionization energy keeps on decreasing. Noble gases have the highest ionization apart from all the groups of the periodic table, reflecting that they are chemically inert. Fifth example is ionization potential. When going down the group, the atomic radii increase, which increases the attractive force and ultimately results in the decrease in the ionization potential. This because the larger atom of the group in valence structures are held together less tightly by the atom as they are situated far away from the nucleus. Sixth example is electrical and heat conductivity. All noble gases except neon conducts electricity. All the inert gases of group 18 are poor conductors of heat. Note, several properties of the noble gases on the periodic table are positively correlated to the atomic size. What are the discharge colors of noble gases? Discharges of the noble gases glow brightly when an electric discharge is passed through them, and so are used as advertising signs. Neon tubes glow red, oxygen blue, and krypton bluish white. Argon tubes glow pale red at low pressures, but blue at high pressures. How are noble gases used in daily life? The noble gases are used to form inert atmospheres, typically for welding to protect space mines, and to deter chemical reactions. The elements are used in labs such as neon lights and cryptid head lamps. Helium is used in balloons for deep sea diving air tanks and to cool superconducting magnets. Thank you for watching. I hope you are entertained for my video.